Shukran Aziz, and in today's topic we will discuss how to publish your AutoCAD file or how to print your AutoCAD file in A4 format or in A3 format. So for doing this, I will directly type Control and V, and it will ask you about these about the batch plot. It will give you details that you want to try batch plot, you want to continue plot a single sheet. I will go with continue to plot a single sheet, and then it will ask you about the name. I will just go with PWG to PDF, and then it will ask you about the paper size. So I will go with ISO A4 210 x 297 millimeter. Then it will ask you about the plot area. You just have to go with window and just have to select the plan that you want it to be printed, and it will ask you about the center point. I will go with center point, and I will change orientation in portrait format, and you will directly preview it. It is in red. I want to change its color, so for that purpose you will go to plot style tab, pen assignments, and I will select monochrome here. It will ask you assign this plot to style table to all layouts. I will go with yes, and then OK. First I will preview it. Now it is in black. Then OK, and I will it will ask you about the name. I will go with working, and then save. And when it is saved, it is automatically be opened in your system. So that is all. That's how you can print your drawing in AutoCAD. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Hope it would be beneficial for you.